Hello everyone, welcome to Geometry Point. Today in this class I am going to solve a numerical problem. So I have told you before that while you are approaching for a numerical problem, just remember three things. The first thing is read the question carefully. Question को ध्यान से पढ़ो. And the next thing is find out what is given data. और ये ढूंढने की कोशिश करो क्या क्या दिया गया है. And next is what is asked in the question. क्या पूछा गया है. And the final step is what formula to be used. और हमें क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करनी चाहिए. सो आपको क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ना है. क्वेश्चन पढ़ के आपको जो डेटा है, गिवन डेटा है, उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करना आना चाहिए. उसकी आपके पास होनी चाहिए. और फॉर्मूला अगर आपको याद है तो आपका 80% काम हो गया है. और सॉल्यूशन में आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द गिवन डाटा इन द फॉर्मूला एंड यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट. सो अगर आप इतना कर लेते हो ये जो स्टेप्स, तो आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो बात यहीं पे आ जाती है कि क्वेश्चन तुम कितने अच्छे से पढ़ते हो और गिवन डेटा को तुम कितने अच्छा से कलेक्ट करते हो, फॉर्मूला वो कितने अच्छे से याद रखते हो. तो ये फॉर्मूला जो सारे तुम पढ़ते हो ये आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे होने चाहिए. ठीक है. सो read the question carefully. If a person weighs 750 Newton on Earth, how much would be his weight on the moon, given that moon's mass is 1/81 times of that of mass of Earth and its radius is 1/3.7 times of that of radius of Earth. So let me write here the given data. So first क्या लिखूंगा मैं, the weight of the person on the earth is let it be W subscript E. It is 750 Newton. Correct? Now, how much would be his weight on the moon? Moon पे उसका weight calculate करना है. So, it is asked in the question, weight of the person on the moon. That is, you can represent it W subscript M. That is weight of the person on the surface of moon. And it is asked. Now, given that moon's mass is 1/81 times that the mass of the earth. So, mass of the moon is also the given data. Let it be mass of the moon. That's why I am representing it with a capital M subscript small m. The small m is for the moon. Okay. So mass of the moon, it is 1/81 times that of the mass of the earth. So let it be capital M subscript capital E, which represents the mass of the earth. Similarly, we can write radius of moon let it be R subscript n, it is 1 upon 3.7 times that of the radius of Earth. Let it be R subscript E. R subscript capital E, which represents the radius of Earth. Okay. So the given data section is completed now, and we have also known that what is asked in the question, that is the weight of the person on the moon. And now the formula, which formula to be used? कौन से formula use करना है? So let me write the formula to be used. To know the formula for weight, weight is nothing but the gravitational force acting, and it is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now let us proceed further. यहाँ पे सब कुछ दिया गया है, मास दिया गया है, रेडियस दिया गया है, और मास रेडियस होता है तो एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, बट mass of the person is not given. So our first task is we should calculate the mass of the person. So weight of the person is given. Okay, यहाँ से हमारा प्रॉब्लम शुरू होता है, मतलब सॉल्यूशन शुरू होता है. ये तो हमारा गिवन डेटा था. Weight of the person on Earth, that is W subscript E, it is 750 Newton. And to know the formula for weight, it is mass into acceleration due to gravity. Since we are calculating the weight on the surface of Earth, that's why I have to take the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth, that is G subscript E, and it is equal to 750 Newton. And you have also know that on the surface of Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is G, that is the universal gravitational constant, mass of the Earth, and radius of Earth square. So here I have to substitute the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. G मास ऑफ अर्थ, यहाँ पे मास ऑफ अर्थ को हमने m सबस्क्रिप्ट e से डिनोट किया है. ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ स्क्वायर. ओके, इट इज इक्वल टू 750 Newton. So I have told you that we are trying to solve for mass of the person. So from this equation you can calculate the mass of person. It is 750 into R E square upon G M E. This is our equation 1. Now we have to calculate weight of the person on the moon. So let me write weight of the person subscript m, it is represents the weight of the person on the moon. It will be equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, and this acceleration due to gravity should be the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. जहाँ पे आप वेट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो वहाँ की एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो m into g subscript m. So this mass is constant. Mass of the person is constant everywhere. I have told you that mass is an intrinsic character, so it is not going to change anywhere. So mass of the person, you have to substitute this mass of the person, that is 750 r subscript e square g mass of earth into what will be the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. It will be g, universal gravitational constant, mass of the moon divided by radius of the moon square. आपको मैंने बताया था एक्सीलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी का फॉर्मूला है g m/r², where m is the mass of earth, r is the radius of earth. And if you are trying to calculate the acceleration due to gravity for other celestial bodies, just like Mars, Jupiter, Moon, इन सब के लिए आपको अगर g का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है, you have to just replace the mass of earth and radius of earth. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ इस मास को रिप्लेस करना है, इस रेडियस को रिप्लेस करना है. Suppose you are trying to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars. So what to do? You have to replace the mass of Earth by mass of Mars, radius of Earth by radius of Mars. So here by here I am trying to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. That's why I have replaced the mass of Earth by mass of the moon and radius of Earth by radius of moon. So let me cancel out. G will be cancelled out. Anything? No. Then calculate 750. It is R e upon r square upon rm square into mass of the moon by mass of the earth. Again 750, you can write it like re upon ra whole square, and it is mass of the moon upon mass of the earth. You have to calculate the ratio re upon rm. So from this you can calculate the ratio of radius of earth to the radius of moon. So here you can see r is on this side, you have to take the rm on this side. So what will happen if you cross multiply 3.7 on this side? So re upon rm, it is equal to 3.7. Similarly, we have to find the ratio of mass of the moon to the mass of the earth. So mass of the moon is on this side, mass of the earth on that side. So we have to take the mass of earth here. Okay. So what will happen? From this equation, we can calculate the ratio, that is mass of the moon upon the mass of earth. It is equal to 1 upon 81. So let us substitute the value. It is equal to 750 into 3.7 square into mass of the moon upon mass of the earth. It is going to 1.81. Let me check again. सब ठीक है ना? RE upon RM is 3.7 is okay. Mass of the moon upon mass of the earth, it is also okay. 1 upon 81. Okay. So the answer will be, I have calculated it back before. The answer will be 126.8 Newton, which is 1 upon 6 times that the mass on the earth, that the weight on the earth, sorry, this weight is 1 upon 6 times that the weight on the earth. That is, if you calculate 1 upon 6 of 750 Newton, then you can find this value. So you can easily say that the weight of the person on the moon is 1 upon 6 times the weight of the person on the earth. अर्थ पे पर्सन का वेट जो हो रहा था उसका 1/6 टाइम्स होगा कहाँ पे? मून पे. Why? What is the reason behind it? The reason is, I have told you before that acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1 upon 6 times the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. So this in this type you can explain. So ऐसे 750 न्यूटन दिया गया है तो आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे इसके लिख सकते हो. आपको पता चल गया weight is 1/6 times of the weight in the earth. So अगर आपको weight on the earth पता है, weight on the moon लिख सकते हो आप, because you know the formula. Weight on the moon is 1/6 times the weight on the earth. So let me stop here. Thank you.